Hi everyone. We are living through an unprecedented time in our history, one that will be studied by medical and public health researchers, economists, and social scientists for generations to come. As a university community, which is part of a larger region, we will remember what we did to help our neighbors and friends, whether we are on the front lines of research, supporting the needs of our students, staff, and faculty, or isolating at home with our families. We continue to be Windsor proud as members of our University of Windsor family contribute to on-the-ground efforts in response to the immediate need for personal protective equipment, our people using their skills to support frontline medical efforts, or how we are diligently adhering to social distancing strategies. What the University of Windsor brings to its neighbors and our community is more important than ever before. The COVID-19 pandemic has further united us as an incredible university community as we all take pride in the work of our University of Windsor chemists who recently joined forces with Wolfhead Distillery to formulate much-needed hand sanitizer. Wolfhead then donated cases of the product to police officers in Windsor, Essex County, and the Niagara region, and to local nurses and volunteers with Amherstburg's Meals on Wheels program. Members of the community later had an opportunity to purchase the sanitizer at a donation event that raised around $12,000 for the Amherstburg Food and Fellowship Mission. As well, the University of Windsor Student Alliance and the University of Windsor Alumni Association worked with us and our colleagues at St. Clair College to donate $100,000 to aid the Windsor Regional Hospital in the purchase of new ventilators in the immediate fight against COVID-19. We are so pleased to be able to work cooperatively with St. Clair College in supporting our Windsor-Essex region. Our students continue to make us proud through their innovative efforts to find solutions to immediate real-world concerns. Master's students Ali Reza Pasha and doctoral candidates Hamid Kalami and Mortiza Al-Bouye, who work with Dr. Jill Urbanek in the Faculty of Engineering, have designed face masks and hands-free attachments for door handles, while also making parts for face shields and ventilators to help combat virus spread. Dr. Urbanek's team also recently procured a specialty epoxy to make a mold for a low-volume production run of their products. As well, they are now working with industrial partner Pepcor, which has a capacity to greatly increase production. A student-run business operating right from the University's Center for Engineering Innovation. We also know this is an uncertain time for our students, many of whom are facing enormous challenges for the foreseeable future as a result of the pandemic. They are now dealing with the uncertainty of summer employment and internships, a reduction or loss of part-time work, and many are experiencing financial hardships as family members also deal with job loss. To support our incredible students during this time of need, we have created a student relief fund to support University of Windsor students experiencing financial hardship as a result of the COVID-19 crisis. You can support our students by making a donation to this fund and also receive a tax credit. Your gifts will support their immediate needs during this very challenging time. As well, we recognize that many of our students are experiencing feelings of stress and anxiety as a result of the pandemic. So we have established a Wellbeing Portal that offers resources to all of our students across the University of Windsor in support of their mental and health and wellness needs. These and other pandemic-related resources are available by visiting our COVID-19 website. On our site, we post important information, news, and resources, such as regular questions and answers videos with our campus physician and a great person, Dr. Matt Scholl. The mental and physical health of our faculty and staff is also a priority during these challenging times. And this is the impetus behind the Let's Get Moving Teen Challenge running from April the 13th through May the 8th. Social distancing may keep us all apart, but the team challenge will give us an opportunity to form virtual teams for online climbs of such famous buildings and mountains as Mount Everest and the CN Tower. Details, including the online team registration form and tracking sheets, can be found on the competition website at uwindsor.ca/virtual challenge. We're also working differently these days, some of us alone in our kitchens and dining rooms, some of us not alone enough as we carve out places to work in busy households with children and family members who also need our time, attention, and reassurance. These are difficult days, but we'll get through this together. It is also important to remember that spring is here, and it represents a time of rebirth, renewal, and hope as faith communities celebrate Passover and Easter. I wish you and your families the very best at this very special time of the year, as well as strength, peace, and friendship as we navigate the road ahead, staying Windsor proud. Thanks, everyone, and take care.